Suggest step in the examination of signature. Step 1. Place the question in the standard signature in the adjustable position or side by side for stimulations. Viewing of the various element and characters. Step 1. Kailangan daw standard imong signature nimo slide by side. Step 2. The first element to be considered is the handwriting movement or the manner of execution, slow, deliberate, rapid, etc. The fundamental difference exists between a genuine signature and an almost perfect forgery in the manner of execution. Sa step 2, dapat slow lang imong kuan, dili kay kapaspas. Step 3. Second element to examine is the quality of the line, the presence of tremor, smooth, flowing, or hesitation defect, and line quality is only appreciated with simulations viewing in the is made. Sa step 3, dapat smooth lang imo, dapat dali ka magduwa-duwa, di ka magdali. Step 4. Examine the beginning and ending lines. They are very significant determine whether the appearance, plan, club, shape, temper, or finishing. Dapat ang kuha ng sugod palang daan sa lines kay significant sa daan. Step 5. Decide the structure of the letters. Determine as to the roundness, smoothness, angularity, and direction. Each individual has a different concept of a letter design. Dapat step 5, dapat ang roundness niya og smooth o yang mga ang angle niya sa direction dapat kuan siya concept sa design. Step 6. Look for the presence of retouching or patching. Dapat step 6 kay dapat nasa ikuan retouching o patching. Step 7. Connecting stroke, slant, ratio, size, literal spacing. Step 8. Do not rely so much in the similarity or difference of the capital letters, for these are the often changed according to the whim of the writer. Characteristic principles that supply most cases. Pen pressure, movement, lihok sa mukuan, kamot, variation, unusual distortion of verb letters, uncompensation, characteristic, rapidly, characteristic with written with smell, paspason sa mga kuan sulat. Indication of genuineness, careless, aday katanga, spontaneity, alteration of thick intense stroke, sa pagduot nimo sa ballpen, speed, paspason nimo, lubrication, up in upright letter are interspersed with slanting letters. The upward stroke to thread like tracing, rhyme, good line quality, or variation.
Good day, sir. Continuation sa report po. Indicating of simulated direct and indirect techniques and trace forgeries. First is tremulous and broken connecting strokes between letters, indicating points at which the writer has temporarily struck. Second, no rhythm. Third, carefulness and unusual care and deliberation. Fourth, no contrast between upward and downward strokes. Fifth, slow writing, angular writing. 6. Blunt beginning and endings. 7. Placement of diacritical marks just over the stem of letters. 8. Absence of spontaneity, lack of smoothness of letters. 9. Restrained writing that is lack of freedom or inhibited movements that gives the impression that every stroke is made with a great difficulty. This writing is small. 10 is no variation. Indication of small or spurious forgery. Writing habits of the writer is evident in the forged signature. Indication of the forgery by means of stamp facsimile of a genuine signature. First is flat stroke. Syempre, if nag-forge ka, dili yun mo ma-perfect imong pirma. Second, no contrast between upstroke and downstroke. Third, deposit of ink at the junction of two strokes or where two strokes cross each other. So, mag-forge ka, dili nimo ma dayon-dayon og sulat kay syempre ginasundog naman nimo siya nud nadyoy pag forge nimo muhunong sa down or sa up, then mapundo dito ang ink. Fourth is no variation. All signature will superimpose over each other. Procedure in the common signature problems. A. Genuine signature which the writer refused to admit not genuine. So, kung makita, siyempre, o dili na nimo pirma and makita yun na sa nimo kung imuha na or dili. General presence of tremors, remnants of carbon retouching indicates forgery. So, kanang magritutahay na ay pirmahan, then makita ni muna na ay double kuan or gidi-retouch siya, it considers as forgery. B. Genuine signature deliberately modified. Examination of the kind of signature is confidently discovered that the modification is only on the prominent features of the letter design that are pointed out by the disclaimer, while the rest appear to be normal. There are unnatural tremors and retouching. The minute details is genuine signatures are present. So, basig, how na kay mo forge? Once na kanang pirma na imong gisundog, makita sa 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 kanang nagpirma jud sa iyang pirma, then mahibal-an yun niya nga forge ba or dili, or kanang pag-forge mo na jud lapses like ang ink mapundo sa ups or sa curve nga na good. So that's all. Thank you.